Hello everybody, Speedy here. Welcome back to another video. And today we're doing a special review. I've got some stuff from my local toy shop or toy store. If any American people, like kids or any adults or teenagers or kids under the age of 12, at any point, anyone, any American person. Sorry, I almost went into my full accent. Sorry. So yeah. It is gonna be Thomas related, obviously, because I bought some stuff. It's from my favorite merch line from the franchise. Excuse this. Anyway, let's get onto it. Before we get onto the individual ones, excuse that. I've just bought the new 80th anniversary merch line. Yeah, I've got everything that's available that's in the UK. Because I am from the UK, telling by my accent right now. So yeah. Yeah, this is all the new 80th anniversary motorized line. So any Thomas fan out there. And so yeah, we'll go in for each individual one. And each individual one, and I'll let you all know at the end of the video, and I'll show you what my favorite one is. So yeah, let's get on to it. First one up with the motorized line, I have got his, obviously the main focus himself, Thomas. It's Thomas. So just move that out of the way. Oh, excuse the sound. Oh, excuse me, sorry. So yeah. This is the new 80th anniversary motorized Thomas. I like the truck that has the new axle box. I could go and get one of my other engines I have, not from this line, but from the previous generations of the motorized. That goes back until 1992 Excuse that, I couldn't pronounce that. So yeah, selling by the 80th anniversary logo, that it is part of it, and although it has it's from the other merch I was sold between 2022 and 2025. But yeah, but telling about the red switch right there. Yeah, I bought this last week with telling about the unpainted buffers as well, but it doesn't bother me. Well, it only bothers me a little bit, and as well as the unpainted whistle. If you can't see that properly, bring it not too close. And yeah, and also uses the new motorized strip that's on it, and it also has the old promo faces, old promo from that. Yeah, and also the new coupling rod, and also uses a grey coupling. So look on the back, and it shows you all the other ones that you can collect. There's the other 5 2-packs you can get, which I will show you later, which I actually have. Yeah. And also on the bottom of the box, can't see. Let me just... Yeah, the old picture from when the... Oh, sorry. When the days was being sold from like 2020 to 2021. Not these, because these were just came out this year. And yeah. Yeah. Just to say one fact about this whole line, this little range here, it is actually a filler line. So the show which ended, the Thomas reboot, which finally ended, which I'm actually happy about. I don't care if other people like disagree with me. It's people's opinions. So yeah, excuse the sound there. So yeah. So that is Thomas. Let me just sorry. So yeah, next up we have is his Next up we have Percy, which is, gotta say, this is quite an engine brought into the best way to bring back the classic Thomas. So what's straight engines? Yeah, I like the promo picture. Also, I'm not going to talk about the other details because I've already talked about it on Thomas. So yeah, I like how. Oh yeah, let me bring Thomas back. Yeah, he comes with a bronze truck, bronzish brown truck. So. Sorry. Yeah, with Percy, he comes with a green truck, which is not his shade of green, but it does. So yeah. Like with Thomas, he also has his promo picture from when he was sold before Thomas got rebooted. And yeah, and also telling there's a screw holding some Percy's cylinder rods, like cylinders together, which is actually a nice touch. Yeah, like the previous one. Yeah. Had one molded to its chassis, to its chassis. So yeah. Like with Thomas, also has the thing where you can shows all the engines you can collect, and oh, excuse my shadow. Excuse my shadow, sorry. Yeah, also has the 80th anniversary logo. And yeah. Although has also the unpainted buffer beam. Excuse me. So yeah. So yeah, that's Percy. Next up we have the splendid red engine himself, James. One thing that bugs me is only a little bit, is how thick or a bit fat he looks. I don't know why though. His face looks big, but I am not that one YouTuber who cries all the time, but not about toys that don't meet their expectations. But this meets my expectations very well. Yeah, and also James comes with a separate piece of coal, which is a bit odd. And it looks like he also has the tender from like how his 2021 his talking bearing had. What in 2021? Yeah, yeah, also like with Thomas and Percy, like the other two. Yeah, I'm not gonna talk about that now. So yeah, also there's the grey wheels, which, like all the other details, and only that bit bugs me. Oh, and actually I forgot also for Percy, I also bought him last week with Thomas and the other two that I got, and two others. Yeah. So yeah, and also for James, I've just bought him today. I literally just bought him today. Yeah. So yeah, nice. That's James. Yeah, and I like all the other details. Yeah, like Thomas and Percy also has that rivet detail. And next up, we have the big express engine Gordon. So yeah, like with James, the only thing that bugs me a bit is how kind of a bit fat he looks. So yeah, like with James, that he also has a separate applied piece of coal. And yeah, and he's also like the little separate rods in the, the rods bit, that how he's designed in the actual show. And yeah, and also the cylinders like with Percy. Yeah, and also like with James, I literally bought him today. Yeah. So yeah. Yeah, it's like So yeah, that's Gordon. Next up, the engine from Kenya, Nia. Excuse me. Well, yeah. The only cool thing I know is the truck. The truck that she comes with. The rest of her is alright. She looks a bit off. So she looks a bit off, but not too bad. I approve. I approve slightly. No, not slightly. I mean, I do approve. Yeah, no, so there's no sort of painting thing like in her actual picture. I think she actually looks a bit more accurate. Excuse me, sorry, I can't say that word now. I stutter a lot now when saying that word. What I'm trying to say is accurate. Bit accurate to her promo picture. Excuse that corner bit. Excuse. Yeah, like, yeah. Yeah, no, the design is, yeah, it's like, also like with Percy and Gordon, which also comes with the screwed in, like, cylinders. Yeah, there's also nothing on it. So yeah, that's Nia. Next up is someone who has never made but has finally made it into the motorized line. In this line, that mid-level range, we have Duck. Sorry, excuse me. Duck looks absolutely well made. Yeah. So yeah. Here comes with a red truck. Nice design for someone who is based off a British Railways Pannier tank engine. excuse that. There's people outside my house. Sorry. So yeah, like nicely done with this. Yeah, sadly there's no cargo that comes with these. Like the buffer beam. Oh, don't know how it doesn't have the lamp like in its actual photo. It's on the box. Excuse that. So yeah. I think this is a very well made engine, in my opinion. Oh my god, I hate it when it sounds like it's farting. Bloody boxes. So, yep, sorry. Yeah, nice GWR labeling on. And, yeah, that's duck. And now, last but not least, but it's the only free pack that was released into the UK. Ow, sorry, that was my shoulder that keeps. God, I hate. Here we have the Flying Scotsman. Very well made. Sadly, this is the only free pack that I have. It's actually the only one that has ever been released into UK's toy stores. Gotta say, I love how it was made. I gotta say, in my opinion, this was the best way to bring the Flying Scotsman back. Love how accurate his coal and water tender is. For being, excuse that little bit of plastic there. And this bit there. So yeah, this also has the new 2024 packaging. Yeah, 2024 packaging, yeah. Yeah, and also I've realised when I got this has the actual original Thomas on the, excuse my hand, finger. And, yeah. Yeah, on the twist on the back, there's no picture on it, but there's only like saying what it is. So yeah, and it also has the 80th anniversary logo and his actual promo image. And there's also like Gordon with the same wheel cylinder thing, because he is a A3 steam locomotive, like as well as Gordon is. And that's a fact for people who don't know. So, yeah. So, yeah. Hold on, I'll be right back so I can put more on and I'll show you my favourite one. Okay, I am back now. And, I've sorted them all out. And, I'm here to show you which one of these 7 I think is my favourite. Or my favourites. I'll go through the top 3 out of the 7. I'll go put Nia in last, because I will put in 6th place. I'll put Thomas. Sorry. Then I'll put Gordon in 5th. Flying Scotsman in 4th. My top 3. My 3rd place is Percy for his design. Who I think is 2nd place between these 2 is James, because he's got accurate design, but although he's kind of fat. And number 1 spot is Duck, because I have never seen him in in the new motorized line up until now. So yeah. So yeah. Yeah, excuse the weird length difference between the Flying Scotsman and the rest, because these are just all 2-packs, and this is a 3-pack to the Buddy Extra Wagon. So yeah, that's all for the 80th anniversary engines I can find in the UK. All the 80th anniversary engines that I could find in the UK. So yeah. Nice. So yeah, that's all for today. It's all for today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe and comment what one of these 7 is your favourite. And I'll try and see if the comments I can see if the comments when I'm checking my videos. So yeah. Yeah, I've got to say these are all nice, but this one's the best. So yeah, that's all from me, and I'll make sure to like and subscribe if I haven't said again, and make sure to comment which of these 7 is your favourite. Anyways, that's all from me, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.